Good morning, students. Let us discuss exercise 1.5, 7th and 8th problems today. So, you must remember logarithmic properties. Now, see what is given. 2.3 whole to the power x equal to 0.23 whole to the power y equal to 1000. Then find 1 by x minus 1 by y values. So, to find these, first let us take here 2.3 whole to the power x equal to 1000. So here we need to find 1 by x minus 1 by y value. So here this transpose this x to, take this x to right side. This x becomes 2.3. Power x goes to right side, that becomes a nth power, like xth power. So that is 1000 power 1 by x. So 2.3 convert into p by q form, 23 by 10. After point 1 digit, remove the decimal, 23. After point 1 digit, so 10. Equal to this 1000. 1000 we can write 10 power 3 whole to the power 1 by x. Now 23 equal to, now take this 10 right side. 10 is dividing. 10 goes to right side, that multiplies 10 into 10 power. Here 10 power 3 whole to the power 1 by x. Using the exponents form, a power m whole to the power n equal a power m into n. So 10 power 3 into 1, 3 by x. Now here 10 means 10 power is 1. So again here we can apply exponent form, a power m whole power n. A power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. That is 23 equal to 10 power 1 plus 3 by x. When the bases are equal, product is there, add the powers 1 plus 3 by x. Now take another one. What is 0.23 whole to the power y equal 1000. Now take the power y right side. 0.23 equal to 1000 power 1 by y. Okay. Now this convert 0.23 into p by q form. 23 by 100 equal, here this 1000 can be written as 10 power 3. 10 into 10 into 10 whole to the power 1 by y. Now 23 equal to 100. Take right side 100. 100 into this, we can apply this property, whole a power m whole to the power n, a power m into n. 10 power 3 whole power 1 by y. 10 power 3 into 1, 3 by y. Now this we can write 10 square into 10 power 3 by y. So apply a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. 10 power 2 plus 3 by y. Let us take here, this is 1, this is 2. See these two values are 23. 23 is equal to 10 power 1 plus 3 by x. 23 equal to 10 power 2 plus 3 by y. So these two are equal. From 1 and 2, 10 power 1 plus 3 by x equal to 10 power 2 plus 3 by y. So now that these two are equal, bases are equal, powers are equal. 1 plus 3 by x equal to 2 plus 3 by y. Now what we find? 1 by x minus 1 by y. So here 3 by x, 3 by y. Take this 3 by y left side. 3 by x transpose 3 by y left side minus 3 by y. Now transpose 1 right side. 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. Here 3 by x minus 3 by y. Take 3 common. That is 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 2 minus 1, 1. That is 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to transpose 3 right side. That is 1 by 3. What we got? 1 by x minus 1 by y equal 1 by 3. Okay na? Now let us discuss next problem, 8th one. See 8th one. If 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power 1 minus x, Then find the value of x. So this is given. Take log on both sides. Applying logarithmic on both sides, that is, we find out the value of x. So here this is exponent. So by applying logarithmic on both sides, log 2 power x plus 1 equal log 3 power 1 minus x. Now using power rule, log a power m equal to m into log a. So this power becomes product. X plus 1 into log 2 equal to 1 minus x into log 3. What we find? We find out x value. So let us simplify here. X into log 2 plus 1 into log 2 equal to 1 into log 3 minus x into log 3. Now we find out x value. So take all x terms one side, remaining terms one side. Take this term left side, take this term right side. That is x into log 2, this minus transpose left side plus x into log 3 equal to plus log 2 transpose right side minus log 3 minus log 2. Here take x common. That is log 2 plus log 3 equal to, this is a log a minus log b, quotient rule. What is log a minus log b? Log a by b. Log a by b equal log a minus log b. This is quotient rule, product rule, okay, and power rule. So this is log a 3 by b 2. Here apply product rule. Log a into b. Log a plus log b. So that is x into log 2 into 3 equal log 3 by 2. That is x into log 6 equal to log 3 by 2. That is, from this we can write x equal, take log 6 here, multiply right side transpose to divides log 3 by 2 by log 6. Okay, again this we can write, we have logarithmic properties, log a by log b, whatever the base, if base is e, that we can write log a base b. So this we can write log 3 by 2 base 6. Okay, so from the logarithmic we have compulsory one problem in the annual exam. Practice, okay.